In a recent bizarre comment, Shiba Inu ecosystem CEO Satoshi Kusama discusses the possibility of a 99% supply burn. This would send Shiba Inu soaring. This video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or SHIB tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu Coin? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? Along with providing answers to these queries, today's video will also notify you of all the recent information that has boosted the price of Shiba Inu. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on December 9th before we get into our issue, shall we? The current price of a Shiba Inu is around 3,035%. With a trading volume of $1.5 billion in 24 hours, the price of SHIB has fallen 6.2%. With a market worth of more than $17.8 billion, the token is now the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency. This is not financial advice, and the pricing may have changed by the time you see the video. We may begin today's video now. Shiba Inu poised for a successful debut. The presence of whales indicates that significant changes are on the horizon. Despite the continuing bull run, Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme currency, has been having trouble since December 3rd after a significant breakthrough of the declining trend line. But information pertaining to the meme currency caused a huge buildup. Wolverine, Shiba Inu. The whale's holdings are growing. Within the last 30 days, the on-chain analytics business saw a 425% growth in the holdings of whales and institutions that own SHIB tokens valued between $1 million and $10 million. In the midst of this period of consolidation, this indicated a great deal of institutional interest. This change indicates that major participants are getting ready for a possible breakthrough. It also suggests an upward rebound and possible purchasing opportunities in the near future. An expert's technical analysis indicates that SHIB is now forming a tight range close to the 3,600 unit resistive level. When tokens form a cluster around a resistance level, traders and investors often interpret this as a possible buy signal. Recent price activity suggests that SHIB has the potential to break out of this zone and close a daily candle over the 3,350 unit mark. If this happens, the meme coin may potentially see a 50% surge, reaching 4,700 units in the near future. The current rise in SHIB price action is due to the fact that it is trading higher than the 300-day exponential moving average. While its value remains below the overbought region, its relative strength index indicates that there may be positive momentum in the coming days. Conflicting opinions based on on-chain measurements, the on-chain indicators for SHIB reveal a mixed feeling among traders, even if the technical analysis is optimistic. The open interest in the meme currency has decreased by 10.25% recently, as reported by CoinLess. Traders may be selling off their holdings as the price consolidates, according to the decline in open interest. Traders are over-leveraged at the current big liquidation level of 2,846 units. Traders have amassed long bets totaling $1.8 million at that level. The top side, with 3,261 units, is where traders have constructed short bets totaling $3.6 million. It would seem that traders are perplexed when trying to integrate these on-chain indicators with technical analysis. Another possibility is that they are holding out for the consolidation to break. It would mean the world to me if you could just go ahead and hit the like button if you're still watching. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency may go from here, you'll have to see the show. The top 3 strategies for SHIB to reach 0,001. After just 4 years in the industry, Shiba Inu has become a household name. The price of a cryptocurrency with a canine motive has increased by several million % since its inception in August 2020. Those who got in early gained millions of dollars while putting in very little. The asset's value has been mostly unchanged in recent years, despite its meteoric rise. While SHIB has seen some improvement in the last few weeks, it pales in comparison to its surge in 2021. While some see SHIB's potential for growth as having been fully realized, others maintain that the company has already set sail. Supporters and investors in SHIB are hoping for the asset's value to rise. A lot of people try to get rid of few zeros after the decimal point. Here are 3 approaches that SHIB may use to achieve the 0001 goal. 1. Significant SHIB token burning. The token burned by Vitalik Buterin was a major factor in SHIB's meteoric rise in 2021. At launch, the co-founder of Ethereum was given half of the SHIB supply. Buterin chose to donate the remaining tokens to charity and burn 90% of the total. A dramatic drop in supply caused by his activities caused prices to skyrocket. Reportedly, the Shiba Inu group is developing a novel burn mechanism. Rumor has it that the new system will destroy billions of tokens per year. The possibility of a similar surge to 2021 exists if the team is able to significantly lower the asset supply. Second, increased adoption. Lead developer Satoshi Kusama of Shib claims that burns will not increase the value of the asset on their own. In order for prices to rise, demand must outstrip supply. The price of SHIB will rise as its use increases. The number of people using SHIB has been growing in recent years. In order for the asset to reach $0.01, this trend must be sustained. 3. Greater practicality. Improving SHIB's practicality is one way to increase its popularity. Last year, the organization introduced the Shibarium blockchain network to increase its usefulness. There has been phenomenal growth for the network since its introduction, but additional initiatives are needed for it to really have an impact. We could see a significant increase in the price of SHIB if more projects start using Shibarium. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. It is feasible to burn up 99% of the circulating supply of Shiba Inu lead, according to the lead. Token burns are a serious problem in the Shiba Inu community, and Kusama has once again taken action to fix it. An enthusiast questioned the anonymous lead's plans for destroying 99% of the Shiba Inu token, so the lead took the time to react. In response, Kusama said that it was now feasible to burn 99% of Shiba Inu in circulation. A few years ago, he said, the idea would have been impossible to implement, but now, thanks to the ecosystem's numerous collaborative initiatives, the kilometers may now be reached. Nevertheless, the aggressive burn milestone was accompanied by a clause from the lead. According to him, the only way for a burn rate of that magnitude to occur is for many large enterprises to switch to using the technology stack of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Burn downsides that Kusama shares have become worse. At the same time, the Shiba Inu lead under a pseudonym pointed out that the ecology suffers from higher burn rates. As the number of burns increases, he predicted in the thread that the price of SHIB might go up. This would lead to a decline in burn rates, as the cost of purchasing Shiba Inu became unsustainable. After establishing that SHIB incineration is not the only factor to consider, the lead went on to say that the Shiba Inu ecosystem may prosper in other ways as well. The lead reveals the best course of action. Finally, Kusama said that increasing acceptance is the best way to enhance the price and ecosystem of Shiba Inu in the long run. His main point was that people won't be inclined to burn their coins if the nasty currency serves a practical purpose. The leadhead has previously stressed how critical widespread adoption is to the Shiba Inu environment. Kusama said in a message last week that important centralized exchanges will flock to the ecosystem due to the extensive usage of Shiba Inu, which would lead to price increases. According to Kusama, the Shiba Inu ecosystem introduced new and interesting features, such as liquid staking, based on the adoption premise. Additional use cases for Shiba Inu and other ecosystem tokens, he said, were of equal importance. When Kusama wanted to know what the community wanted him to talk about on his show, he first asked about burn rate. The leader has on occasion adopted this strategy to deal with critical problems in the Shiba Inu ecology. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.